Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthru Guru, where we provide the latest updates and advanced analysis on different commodities. Today, we're focusing on pepper prices, which have remained steady despite lower arrivals and ongoing global supply concerns. As of today, February 25th, pepper prices have maintained their stability for the second consecutive session. A key factor supporting this price stability is the reduced arrivals in the market. While daily arrivals have increased slightly to 28.5 tons from the previous session, they are still nearly 40% lower than last week. This reduction in supply has helped maintain spot prices despite broader market pressures. Market participants have observed that the lower arrivals today are a result of pepper prices hitting a 15-day low, causing farmers to hold back their stocks in anticipation of better prices in the future. This supply restraint is also linked to concerns over global pepper supply and the record high coffee prices, which have made farmers more cautious. Looking at Vietnam, early estimates indicate a 5% year-on-year rise in pepper production, expected to reach 1.8 lakh tons. However, the outlook is mixed as declining yields due to aging vines may limit the overall production compared to last year. On the other hand, India's pepper production is expected to remain stable at around 60,000 tons for the current season. In Vietnam, pepper prices have softened slightly by 1,000 Vietnamese dongs to 2,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram across various provinces, currently ranging between 158,000 Vietnamese dongs and 161,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. However, global prices have remained firm, with higher offers coming from Malaysia and Indonesia. Even though we are seeing a seasonal increase in supply, a significant price drop is unlikely due to the prevailing global supply constraints. As a result, domestic prices have held steady during today's session. Here's a quick look at the domestic prices for black pepper in key markets. Kochi, ungarbled, 65,200 rupees. Garbled, 67,200 rupees. 500 GL, 64,200 rupees. Karnataka, Kushalnaga, 65,200 rupees to 67,500 rupees. Chikamagalur, 65,200 rupees to 67,500 rupees. Now, let's take a glance at the FOB quotes for black pepper from international markets. Brazil Aster, 6,800 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 500 GL, 6,500 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 55 OGL, 6,650 United States dollars per metric ton. Indonesia Aster, 7,396 United States dollars per metric ton. Malaysia, ringgit per metric ton, room 9,500 per metric ton. That's all for today's update on pepper prices. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.